It created the stars. It powers our sun. And it's likely the reason you are alive today. Meet hydrogen, the father of the periodic table. It is the lightest, simplest, and most abundant element in the entire universe, making up roughly 75% of all normal matter. But why is this simple gas so explosive? Hydrogen is the smallest element in the universe. But without it, nothing would exist. Welcome to the start of our journey through the building blocks of reality. This is hydrogen. Atomic number 1. It is beautifully simple. Just one proton and one electron. Because it has that single electron, it is desperate to bond with other things. On Earth, you rarely find it alone. It's usually clinging to oxygen to create water, H2O, or carbon to create life. It is colorless, odorless, and tasteless. But don't let that fool you. It packs a punch. How do we use it? Everywhere. Hydrogen makes up about 75% of the visible universe. The sun and all stars are powered by hydrogen through nuclear fusion. On Earth, hydrogen is found in water, acids, and almost every living thing. Hydrogen is a key component of the water you drink and the sugar you eat. Industrially, we use it to refine petroleum and produce fertilizer that feeds billions. But its most exciting role is energy. From the tragic history of the Hindenburg airship to the futuristic hydrogen fuel cells powering zero-emission cars, harnessing this element is the holy grail of clean energy. It's also rocket fuel, literally pushing humanity off this planet. It is colorless, odorless, and extremely light. Because of this, hydrogen is used in rockets as fuel. NASA uses liquid hydrogen to launch spacecraft into space. Hydrogen was discovered in 1766 by Henry Cavendish, but it existed long before humans. Hydrogen started the universe. From stars to water, hydrogen is the starting point of everything. Tomorrow, we meet its neighbor, an element that makes balloons float, changes your voice, and refuses to bond with anyone. Join us for element number 2. Helium.